Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you about Boston Whaler's 2018 13 SuperSport 60th Anniversary Edition. As you can see, the profile of the boat, it's very sporty, hence the name Sport, and the lines are nice. The size for 13 is, you get into shallow, under a foot of water. So the back waters are fine. You have the galvanized trailer that comes with it as well. As we come around the back of the boat, you've got the Mercury 4-stroke, 40 horsepower, plenty of horsepower to push this 13-foot boat, gets you up on plane quickly, and you do have the famous Whaler upside down smirk, so it actually drives the spray down instead of out, so it keeps it very dry, even on a windy day. So as we move into the boat, you've got stainless steel grab rails all the way around, both sides. Got the running light down on the port side with the battery, the gas tank, and you could actually add, it's a bench seat with drink holders, but you could actually add either regular bench seats or swivel seats here as an option, which is a lot of people do add that to it. You've got the bimini top, so it gives you some good shade. If it's a sunny day like this, it'll keep the sun off you as well. The traditional Boston Whaler steering wheel, very sharp looking. Place to charge your phone right here. Speedometer, tachometer. Place to keep storage in here, and you can mount the GPS easily right here. Nice, and plug it right into the lighter charger right there. Another drink holder in the front. And as we move up, you've got all non-skid up here. So if you were fishing, you could fish off the bow of the boat safely with the non-skid. And this is where you would keep your anchor. So a convenient place and safe place to keep the anchor. So that goes right there. Place to tie the anchor off with right here. Your running lights. So very simple boat, but it's a Boston Whaler. Remember that it can't sink, foam filled. It serves a lot of purposes. We sometimes use it as a dinghy on a bigger boat as well. So if you've got any questions on it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.